You think you can outplay me? I don't play, I finish. You were never in call. Every move you made, I knew before it happened.
Your time is over.
You regress! No, he won. You just realized it too late.
So,
This isn't over, bud. It is, for you.
I was wrong. I betrayed love, but I see now. I can't change the past, but I won't let him use me anymore.
You've learned the cost.
Oh, what now?
Now we move forward. No games, no lies. You earned your chance. If you're ready.
I'm ready.
Do you understand the cost now?
I do, and I'm ready to start again.
Some lessons only power can teach.